and I found this AI productivity tool, and what it allows you to do is it allows you to boost your productivity each day, right? And let me show you how this works. So in the first one here, you can enter in a task for the day. So let's say if I want to write a, let me see, article, and then I'll say I want to create a video. Then last, I just want to post something on social media, right? So you put that in, and then you come down here, and then you can put like from let's say 5 p.m. to, let's do 9 p.m. And let's just skip over that one, and you hit generate. It's going to break it down step by step, brainstorming, create the video, social media, and it has all the times here how to do this in here. So this is great, guys. If you like this, check it out, and the link will be in the description below.